upcoming Nike LeBron 23, arriving holiday 2025 at $210, pushes forward LeBron James' signature line with a balance of innovation and heritage. First seen during a private training session, it takes cues from the LeBron 20 and 21 while showcasing a sleeker low-top frame highlighted by a crown-inspired wraparound midsole. Though Nike hasn't confirmed specifics, industry expectations suggest a combination of Cushlon foam and Zoom Air, designed to deliver responsiveness, plush cushioning, and court-ready energy return. Its outsole emphasizes swift lateral transitions, underlining performance-driven engineering. Early previews revealed a matte black upper enhanced with carbon fiber-like overlays, hinting at premium material selections for retail versions. With its aggressive stance, refined forefoot, and bold construction, the LeBron 23 embodies speed, strength, and precision. Ultimately, it bridges LeBron's legacy with next-generation basketball innovation,